Hi Julia.
Hi Julia.
Hi Julia.
Hey Julia. Hey Julia.
Hey Julia.
I am Eleonora.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Virginia from Rosario, Argentina.
My name is Fatima and I'm from Pakistan. I just want to say that you inspire me in every way possible. To most of the people who know me, when I mention ASMR, it's something that cringes them out or creeps them out, but for me, it has been life-changing.
Hi Julia, this is so cool. Something positive that I wanted to share was I recently got into a relationship with a really great guy who has really taught me what it means to be in a healthy, reciprocal partnership and learn what it's like to be treated by a guy in all the right ways.
Hello Julia, what a nice idea to connect with people through voice. I agree that there's something beautiful and intimate about hearing each other's voices.
You inspire me every day. Thank you so much. Greetings from Russia.
Anyway, I've been working on a project with my brother who just came out to me as trans, so now I have a sister.
Whenever I'm going through a rough patch or whenever I'm having a stressful night, your videos, especially the role plays,
Especially your ASMR, that has truly gotten me through a lot of things.
Your videos have helped me so much this past year.
I just want to say I love watching your lifestyle and ASMR videos. They really helped me through a rough time that I'm still going through due to being in a motorcycle hit and run. I've still got a long way to go, but I'm making the right steps to being the best person I can be. I realise that if I keep going down this path of negativity, I'll just end up hating myself, and I don't want that to happen.
Hi, Julia. I can't believe I am doing this. First of all, sorry about my English. I am from South America, from Peru. I don't know, I really can't believe I am doing this. I think that it is mostly because I am so thankful for your content. I suffer from anxiety. I have suffered from it my whole life. But since I discovered your videos, my life has changed. I don't know why I'm so nervous about it. 1 month ago, I wanted to write you a DM or something, saying all of this, that I am so grateful for your stuff and your content. It is so difficult for me to express in English how grateful I am for what you have done in my life. And I'm getting so emotional right now. But yeah, I really hope you see this.
I just want to say hi. My name's Nicola. I'm from Ireland. I love who you are and your whole approach to things. I forgot to say that I listen to your ASMR videos every night.
So I just wanted to say thank you, keep doing you, and screw everybody who doesn't agree with it. Love ya.
Alright, it is now a little bit after 6 p.m. and I'm about to do a self-care hour before Nick and I make dinner. We spent most of the afternoon grocery shopping and then unpacking groceries, washing everything. Hey, you can't be in here when there's food. You guys. We've kind of been condensing our shopping trips because of the pandemic, but we got a lot of amazing produce. I'm so excited because we haven't really had any for a couple of days, and I'm looking forward to trying some new recipes, including our dinner recipe, which I'm incredibly excited about. More on that later. In the meantime, I just made myself a glass of sangria, like bootleg sangria, because I didn't have like the proper ingredients. Typically, I would use red wine, brandy, sugar, and fruit, but I only had peach Ciroc and red wine, so we made it work. It's actually really good. This cocktail is a pretty big step for me because I've been having so much anxiety in the last few months, like more than I have had for years. I've opened up about this a little bit on YouTube and a little bit on Instagram, but there was a point a couple of months ago where I was like avoiding so many different things, including alcohol, caffeine, spaces in the house, like anything that I felt was a trigger for my anxiety. I just cut it out of my life completely. And I've been doing some exposure therapy with my new therapist that I started seeing. And now I'm able to gradually incorporate these things back into my life without feeling scared of them. I'm not encouraging you to like go out and drink an entire bottle of wine if you feel anxious. Obviously that is not the move, but I've always enjoyed having a glass of wine or a cocktail every now and then, and it's nice to know that I can still enjoy that without launching into a full-blown panic attack. So I just have my sangria over here and then a couple of cheese crackers as a snack. And I'm about to take a relaxing bath. About a week ago, I went to the beach and got a severe sunburn, which is unlike me because I don't usually go in the sun for that long. I can't really show you guys because it's like on my chest, but you can kind of see it here. My skin is blistering and peeling and it's really uncomfortable. So somebody recommended that I do colloidal oatmeal baths, which is what you use in a bath when you have chickenpox or if your baby has eczema or other skin conditions. So I picked this up from Target. It's just these individual Aveeno packets. Aveeno is a brand that I would typically not buy from, but I was so desperate because my skin was so uncomfortable, and this has been such a lifesaver. So if you guys are struggling with sunburn, definitely recommend taking a like not too hot but relaxing bath with colloidal oats. I think you can probably make them at home too. It's just oatmeal that's ground up super fine so that it dissolves in the water. And yeah, gonna do that. Going to do a little treatment on my scalp because my scalp is peeling as well from sunburn. It's so uncomfortable. I'm also going to listen to an audiobook, which is something I really enjoy doing while I'm in the bath or relaxing or even doing chores around the house. This video is sponsored by Audible, which is my favorite way to listen to audiobooks and other original audio content. I have been a paying Audible member for many years, and I literally listen to Audible every single day of my life. That is not an exaggeration for the sponsorship. I really do. I am currently listening to the Harry Bosch series by Michael Connelly. These audiobooks are so good, and I have already opened up about my obsession with the show Bosch, which I believe is on Amazon Prime. And once the show is over, I decided to go back and listen to the audiobooks, and I'm really glad that I did because they're actually a lot different than the show. They're like more detailed, and the storyline is quite different. So whether or not you've seen the show, I would definitely recommend this series. And the coolest part is that Titus Welliver, who plays Harry Bosch on the show, did a limited edition recording with Audible where he narrated the first book called The Black Echo. I am currently on book 2, The Black Ice, and I'm just completely engrossed in the story. Could not recommend it enough. If you guys are Audible members, I would love to hear what you're listening to right now. And if you aren't, but you would like to sign up, you can go to audible.com/itsblitz or text itsblitz to 500-500 for 1 free audiobook, unlimited Audible originals, and an exclusive 30-day free trial. They also added a lot of features to the app, including like sleep programs, exercise programs, things like that, if you're looking for additional hobbies or ways to track your health. So definitely check that out. And I am sweating to death and about to get in the bath. We're gonna do like a cool bath. I think it's gonna feel really nice. All right, before I get in the bath, I'm going to do a little like treatment on my scalp because of my sunburn. I don't know if you can see it, but also don't look too closely because I have like horrible dandruff as a result. Basically, I'm going to be using a little bit of avocado oil, which is one of my favorite neutral oils for every single part of my body. And I'm also going to be using some peppermint essential oil. Now, you definitely don't ever want to apply this directly to your scalp. It could make things way worse and it could dry out your scalp even more. But as long as you are mixing it with a carrier oil, then it can feel really nice, and it's helpful if you have like an itchy scalp or an inflamed scalp. Mine is both of those things. And my hair, yes, it's so dirty. It's just like disgusting. But I'm trying not to overwash it so that I don't dry my scalp out more. So I'm going to put like a little bit of oil in my hand. And then I'm just going to do like 1 drop of peppermint oil. So I'm going to mix this up in my hands like this. And then I'm just going to really gently massage it into my scalp. Again, you definitely do not want to do this without using a carrier oil. And in fact, even if you use a carrier oil, I would recommend patch testing this if you have sensitive skin. Plus, you never know if you could be allergic to a certain oil. So do a little patch test on like your arm or leg or something. And I can already feel it feels so nice. You'll start to feel it pretty quickly, but it does get a lot more intense after like 10 minutes. So if it's not working at first, don't add more peppermint oil, just give it a little bit of time. And I'm going to sit in the bath with this on my scalp, and I'm not going to rinse it out or anything. I'm just going to take a shower tomorrow. You can also give yourself a little scalp massage. That always feels really nice, even if it's just yourself administering the massage. And yeah, that's my little scalp tip. Other oils you could use are tea tree oil, eucalyptus, lavender. Whatever you do, make sure you do not rub your eyes after you put this in your hands. Even if you wash your hands well, the oil could still be in your hands, so be mindful of that. You probably don't want to touch your vagina either, okay? Or whatever you have. Whatever you have, it's perfectly normal and great.
Take one dealer down, somebody takes his place. Or an attorney on retainer springs in. He can just see the top of the Marlboro Man billboard that had been outside.
Was my best first attempt at German potato pancakes. Also probably common in like Austria, Poland, and not dissimilar to latkes. But I hope they're good. They smell really good. And then I just made a really big salad, like greens, tomato, cucumber, nectarine, and some Parmesan and croutons. I think that's it. So we're gonna plate these, and I have sour cream, cranberry sauce, and applesauce as well. If you live in Germany, let me know how these are. And if you don't, then mind your business. Or let me know how these look. And here they are with all of the condiments slash sides. Applesauce, sour cream, cranberry sauce, which Nick opened upside down. Looks pretty good, right?
Super good.
Do you speak German?
Nein. It's Hold on a second. Dude, it's rounded on the bottom. They put the label on upside down, okay?
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm like fucking beyond hungry right now.
Yeah, it's like 11 p.m. Thank you.
Yep.
I'll take a little more.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.